Welcome to Hello Experts, where we explore fascinating transportation projects and uncover the hidden stories from around the world. Today, we are taking a closer look at Mindanao Railway, a railway project in the Philippines that is set to connect the major cities of Davao, General Santos, Cotabato, Zamboanga, and Surigao. The Philippines is a captivating country boasting a rich history and culture, renowned for its picturesque beaches, lush rainforests, and vibrant urban centers. The Mindanao region stands out as a favored tourist destination, celebrated for its stunning landscapes and diverse cultural heritage. Introducing the Mindanao Railway, a pioneering rail project poised to unite the major cities of Davao, General Santos, Cotabato, Zamboanga, and Surigao in the Philippines. This extensive railway endeavor is meticulously planned to unfold across 10 distinct phases, encompassing a grand total of 2,278 kilometers of railway track to be seamlessly integrated into the region's transportation infrastructure. The inaugural phase, spanning 100 kilometers, is dedicated to connecting Tagum in Davao del Norte, Davao City, and Degos in Davao del Sur. Anticipated to commence construction in the first quarter of 2023, the Mindanao Railway Maidens phase is poised to receive funding from the Chinese government with a substantial budget of $1.5 billion allocated for this purpose. The ownership of this monumental railway venture rests with the Department of Transportation, with operational responsibilities assigned to the Philippine National Railway. The grand vision of the Mindanao Railway extends to linking the significant locales of Davao City, Central Santos, Cagayan. This visionary initiative is forecasted to bestow enhanced connectivity, a pronounced economic stimulus, and remarkable socio-economic progress upon the region. The Mindanao Railway project is poised to fundamentally reshape the southern landscapes of the Philippines while providing a much-needed impetus to regional economic development and connectivity. Conceived as a 10-phase endeavor, each phase will contribute to the gradual realization of the railway line's comprehensive network. The phases are outlined as Phase 1, which is Tagum Davao Degos 100 kilometers, Phase 2 Degos General Santos 105 kilometers, Phase 3 General Santos Cotabato Davao 290 kilometers, Phase 4 Cotabato Zamboanga 290 kilometers, Phase 5 Zamboanga Cagayan de Oro Aligan, Phase 6 Cagayan de Oro Butuan, Phase 7 Butuan Surigao City, Phase 8 Surigao City, Phase 9 Malibali Cagayan de Oro 100 kilometers, and Phase 10 Cagayan de Oro Aligan 100 kilometers. Here are some captivating details about the Mindanao Railway project. The railway project will incorporate numerous stations along its route, granting passengers access to various facilities including the waiting areas, restrooms, and dining options. Originally conceived in 1936, the Mindanao Railway project emerged as part of Manuel Quezon's strategy to bolster the Commonwealth government's presence in Mindanao, countering the growing influence of Imperial Japan before World War II. Projections estimate that the Mindanao Railway project will accommodate an impressive daily ridership of approximately 130,000 passengers. Ownership of the Mindanao Railway project is vested in the Department of Transportation, while operational responsibilities will be overseen by the Philippines National Railway. The initial phase of the Mindanao Railway project is expected to receive financial support from the Chinese government with a notable budget allocation of $1.5 billion. However, it's worth noting that several other countries have expressed interest in participating in the project's construction. The inaugural phase of Mindanao project, spanning from Tagum to Degos, is currently advancing, with Philippines government actively engaged in financial negotiations with Beijing, aiming for a prompt conclusion. The government has awarded the project management consultancy contract to Mindanao Railway Project Phase 1, valued at 3.08 billion Philippine peso, to a consortium comprising China Railway Design Corp and Guangzhou Wanan Construction. Thanks for watching our video on the Mindanao Railway. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories from around the world.